Let's change the oil on a Kobalt compressor. This is a 30-gallon. This honestly works for almost all compressors, so stay tuned for some tips and tricks. Let's get started. Here's everything I use. No sponsorship here. Links to everything I use below. And don't forget a wrench. Start by warming up your compressor, just so we can get that oil nice and flowing. And then you want to check either the owner's manual, or in this case, it has it on the side of the actual engine, the type of oil. And we need some non-detergent lubricating oil. So SAE 30, it also gives some other recommendations, but air compressor oil, whatever your manual recommends is what you want to use. With our oil nice and warmed up, we'll want to first remove the fill, because if we can't fill the compressor with oil, that's going to be a serious issue. Perfect. So now we can definitely add oil, and then we'll drain the oil right here. I'll break it free with a 12mm wrench, just a tad. Just like that. And because I can't put my catch can directly underneath, I made a little slide out of aluminum foil that should hopefully catch the majority of it. Didn't go according to plan, but thank goodness I put some cardboard underneath there. Well, I'm open to ideas in the comments section, but just be aware you're going to want some cardboard or something to catch it. So let's close this cap off now that it's no longer draining and clean this mess up. Just snug. Like that. Now, you use a funnel. You probably don't need one, but I'm, as you saw, very good at making messes. We're gonna wanna keep an eye on this looking glass, just so we can make sure that the level or the height of the oil is in the right spot. And the manual only says it takes about 8.5 ounces, so it's not too much. Double check yours. Better to slowly fill than overfill and potentially damage your engine. So just take your time here. And we'll just watch that sight glass. Looks like it's almost there. Give it some time to fill in. Don't pour too fast. It looks right on the money. Then we'll screw on the cap. You can see there's an O-ring that goes around there. So just make sure that's still there. Everything's tightened up, so let's just check our work and make sure the compressor still is functional. Looking leak-free as well. That's how you change the oil on this compressor. Questions or comments, please put it below. And please, if you have suggestions on how to not make a mess next time, let me know below. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. Save you a couple bucks and help this compressor last. And don't forget to drain out the water from your compressor each time you use it. That way it lasts even longer. And check your service manual for the service interval in terms of oil changes. But yours might be more or less. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.